This is Andy with QualityStocks.net. Today is Tuesday, April 13th. We're taking a look at Cascadia Investments. It's a pink sheet stock trading under the ticker CDIV. I'll take a quick look at the chart, but I'm not going to spend a lot of time with these indicators because Cascadia has, just for starters, wow, what a move over the last, 5 months from touching down here at 3 cents to up over 70 cents. Just a massive move. Congrats to everybody that's played that as a little bit of a swing trade, long-term hold. What I'm looking at this point primarily is, I'm going to draw this as a long line, this resistance level at 71.5 cents. That it actually went just shy of it yesterday, went to 70. The resistance is actually at 71.5. But I talk about when I trade about using the short-term moving averages when it's made a big move, and I like to see it hold and get hold above the 10-day moving average, which is at 60 cents. See the close at 66 cents. The low was at 59. So if it pulled itself back up over that 10-day moving average, that's a bullish indicator. This is going to continue strength and move north. So we're going to look for just a couple minor things when you're looking for entry on this. If you notice, during this little consolidation pattern outside the Bollinger Bands, wants to have volume slide off a little bit while it's consolidating. Volume picked back up again yesterday a little bit. It went up and tested that resistance. Going to look today for a little bit more volume to come in and for this to try and take out the top, move above 71.5 cents. If it does, I believe it'll probably put together a couple days where it's outside the Bollinger Bands. Then we might look at a little bit of consolidation again. But this chart has been looking very strong, very bullish, trading on the top part of the Bollinger Band, which is bullish for months upon months now. And I don't see any reason from a technical standpoint for it not to continue. Seeing a little bit of negative divergence with some of the indicators, which you have to evaluate that as you go. That's one of them things easy to look back in hindsight and say that well, the negative divergence was there, but sometimes they're just resetting themselves a little bit, and as required, you'll see them pop right back through it. If a trend line were to be drawn through here, it might be put up around the mid to high 80s. So it still has quite a bit of room before it would even reach that trend line again. So right now, the important thing is paying attention to candlesticks and seeing if it's going to indeed pop through them. It's held most of its gains since its last move from 50 cents up to 70 cents, another 50% move. Still holding those gains pretty well. So I'd be looking for Cascadia to take this out. If I were looking for entry here, I'd be very tight with my stop on it, right in through there around the 58-cent area. That would be my stop where I'd bail back out, see what this is going to do. Next support's down lower, down around 48 cents. So let's see if it trades in that trading pattern or breaks through it. Look for volume to come in and look for it to take out that resistance. This is Andy with QualityStocks.net taking a look at CDIV.